everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. Also, my name is Christina, and I'm standing outside of another customer creation. This is one of the largest homes that Champion Homes builds. It is a 32 by 76, 2,305 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3-bath with an extra activity room or family room. Coming into the front door, we're gonna walk right into the very first living room, and that's all we're gonna see coming into the front door. And it's just full of all of the stuff that you need to install the home. So this is very typical, right? We're gonna have the siding, the roofing. It has a patio door on the other side that we're gonna see, and also all the plumbing parts that you need. Everything you're gonna need to install the roof, install the home, not the roof. Well, the roof too, but the home is a whole. And coming over here to the other side, we've got the standard carpet this year. This is brand new for this year, called Havana. You guys are really getting to know my toes very well through these videos. A nice thing about this floor plan, it's called the Searcy, is it's gonna come with a closet, a coat closet. And remember, that's very, very important in the Midwest. I ship to all the Great Lakes states, all the way up to Minnesota as well. And now new down to Tennessee. So things are starting to progress here. We're expanding a little bit. And let's go over and check out the primary bath. Now on the other side of this wall is gonna be wide open to the kitchen. And then there's gonna be a family room or an activity room that goes off to the side. Let's go see if we can put it all together. First, I just climbed through the gate that attaches to the primary bedroom. So when you come through your primary bedroom into your primary bath, you're gonna have his and her closets here. Or hers and her closets. Or his and his closets. Or maybe somebody gets both the closets. But you are gonna have two very nice closets that are very spacious with lots of room for whatever you need to put in there. And there's two of them. Here's one, and the other side is the other. And then coming in through this door, we're finding a Serenity shower. This really has becoming one of our most popular showers. Everybody's putting them in because, of course, very large basin. That's gonna be fiberglass at the bottom, but you're gonna have a rain shower head and two nozzles to turn the water on and off. You're gonna have your shower wand and also your rain shower head. So this is gonna go to that, and this is gonna go to the other, I imagine. Hiding behind the Serenity shower is a dual vanity, and this is an optional bathroom that you can choose. We've got a Luma marble on the countertop, white on the cupboards, black handles, hello, and then also a corner deck tub with a little pantry beside it. And one of my faves, a 30 by 36 window. What I love about this spare bathroom is that little shelf up there. It just gives it a lot of character. Okay, next up, we're gonna see bedroom 2 and 3. To Kyle and Lita, this is their home. They had their kiddos here just a little bit ago, and we went through the home together. So turned out very, very nice and was exactly what they were hoping for. Here's bedroom number 2. What's interesting about the Searcy floor plan, we've got some pretty good sized closets in here, but we've got 2 of their daughters are going to be on either side, and they've got a bathroom in between that they'll be able to share. So in other words, we've got a Jack and Jill. Coming through here, here's bedroom number 3. Same size closet. And I love this little foyer area that's in between the bedrooms, right? This will open up actually into the kitchen dining area. Hands down, the very best part of this floor plan is that every bedroom has access to a bathroom. Now, when you come in the side entrance, you're gonna have a hallway that's going down into the dining area and into that activity room, but you also have this extended hallway. Now, I'm doing a project for some homeless veterans, and what we're gonna do with this space is we're gonna hang a flat screen TV right there, and then on the other side, there'll be enough kind of like a little sitting room, because I took their activity room, added some walls, and pushed it back enough so that we could put maybe a couch there. But we created another little sitting place. So really the sky's the limit. If you guys bring me the vision, I can help you put it to life. This is bedroom number 4. Bedroom number 4 also has a very large walk-in closet. We added some extra shelving in there. And then this accessible directly to bath number 3. And then coming through this door would be your side entrance. So you could be coming into the side door and still use the bathroom. Now, it is a HUD requirement. You've got to have locking doors on every bathroom. So that's important to know, especially if you guys come and you're trying to put a barn door. Everybody tries to do it, but it's not allowed. It's not part of the building code. Hey, jumping over to the other side of the home. Here's the back of the house. And by the way, we had a 20-foot dormer over the front door, and they're going to be doing a porch. It's going to be extended from that dormer. All right, coming in the back door, the customer will be coming into the dining area. So this area right here is all dining. And then on the other side of that plastic would be bedroom 2 and 3. On the other side of this plastic is going to be the secondary living room. No, excuse me. On the other side of that plastic will be the secondary living room. What is this space? This is going to be that hallway that I just talked about. When you come in, there's some space there that will lead to bedroom number 4. So this is the activity room I was talking about. Remember, this is the Searcy, 2,300 square feet, 4-bed, 3-bath with an extra activity room. This is the side entrance, and by the way, we can flip floor plans end to end. So if you have a door on this side and you need it on the other, you just let me know that. We'll flip it end to end. This is a very large family, so we knew that the utility room or laundry room had to be a pretty good space to be able to get everything done in here. Washer, dryer, L-shaped utility. I love the white, white, white. White everywhere. Did a great job with that. And then we've got another storage closet in here. And a furnace on the other side. All right. This is something we don't see very often. They added a hall tree here for people to be able to stop and take their shoes off, hang their book bags, hang their stuff, and get it out of the way. Now, one of the best parts of the homes is going to be the kitchen. We've done some things here. Some of my favorite things, actually. We've got cabinets to the ceiling, drawers over doors. We've got a farm sink. Kept it pretty basic with just a basic appliance package, and that's okay because the color of this package goes perfectly with the color scheme. We've got the microwave over the range, dishwasher, and a side-by-side with ice and water. And then another great feature of the Searcy is this pantry right across the way from the farm sink. So, especially when you go cabinets to the ceiling, oh, I promise you, unless you guys are obsessed with cookie jars, take your cabinets to the ceiling. We've got pantry space over here, pantry space there, and then everything down here, and you still have a fabulous coffee bar to be working from, I can imagine. Keurig, toasting station. Can you tell I'm getting excited for my own home to be able to move in? Here we've got pot and pan drawers. Those are a must, I think. Even if you're not going to put pot and pan drawers in there, you always still need a couple of deeper drawers just in case. Now, it's going to get pretty interesting back here as we go down this short hallway. We're going to come up to the primary bedroom. And this is a primary bedroom, but another outstanding feature of the Searcy is going to be the retreat room. And this is going to be a man cave. Kyle loves to watch sports, so Lita told him he can do that in there. I love you guys and your lifestyle. All right. I get so excited, man. building these homes and meeting everyone. Please come and see me. It's starting to get nice here, I promise. We've got a break in the rain and the temperatures are getting warmer. So give me a call. I'm a real person. You can call me. The phone number is below and set up an appointment with me. I'll put you in a very nice hotel and you can get a good night's rest and see some really beautiful homes. My name is Christina. I'm also the mobile home mama here on the YouTube and the real mobile home mama on the TikTok. So thanks everybody for watching.